Hello, this is Creative Computer Skills, and here is a video on how to sign in to YouTube. If you have the opportunity, please do well to subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. In order to get started with this video, simply open your Google Chrome browser, and on the address bar, you can just go ahead and type youtube.com. Alternatively, you can come over to this page where you have Google Apps, click on it, and you can click on this YouTube. Now, if you click on this will bring you to this very interface. Now, you just need to simply click on this sign in, and you'll be required to input your email address and your password. Input your email address here. Click on next. Enter the password of your email. And then click on next. You wait for it to load. You can just skip this and skip this. Now with this, your YouTube account has been signed into. You can simply click on this area and then click on YouTube Studio, and you go ahead and create an account if you so wish. So this is how you can sign into YouTube account. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.